Meanwhile, the Aquino administration reiterates the importance of geohazard. This in the face of various natural disasters and calamities that occur in the country. Ara Perez tells us more.
Prevention is better than cure. It seems that this saying may be apt not only in terms of health, but also in disaster preparedness. FIVOLCS already did studies on the country's active faults, which may cause the moving of the earth, the primary danger brought by earthquakes. This is the first step to warn people about the safety of where their homes are located. Meanwhile, the Mines and Geosciences Bureau, under DENR, is undergoing a geohazard mapping and assessment program to identify the places possibly hazardous if flash floods and landslides may occur.
Magbibigay ito ng mga informasyon kung anong mga lugar ang medyo may mga peligro sa mga pagbaha at pagguho ng lupa. At sa pagmamapa din natin, pinapakita rin natin kung saan yung mga lugar na medyo tinatawag nating safe.
FIVOLCS is also doing multi-hazard mapping to classify all the dangers posed by earthquakes and tsunamis.
Kung maghahanda ang iba't ibang mga bayan ng ating bansa sa mga disaster, dapat paghandaan natin ang sabay-sabay ang iba't ibang mga panganib.
This mapping and studying done by agencies is important because calamities do not only have a single effect. Agencies have coordinated with LGUs for continued information dissemination, one of which is FIVOLCS Rapid Earthquake Damage Management System or REDAS, a software that can identify the intensity of a calamity.
Pwede na tayong magresponde kahit wala pa rin tayong masyadong information. Pero ang pinakamahalaga na siguro sa tamang paghahanda at para naman hindi maapektuhan ang mga tao ng matindi, pati rin yung ekonomiya natin, ay gamitin yung mga mapa, pati yung REDAS, para sa tamang pagplano, paghahanda sa sakuna, sa disaster, at tamang land use and development planning.
It is important that each of us is informed, especially on discussions regarding safety in natural calamities.
Safe location or safer location dapat ang pipiliin nila. Pero maliban dyan, pagkatapos mong mapili na ang lugar na pagtatuyuan, susunod at pinaka-agalagang tanong, safe ba yung construction?
Una-una, kailangan malaman natin anong klaseng peligro ang meron tayo at paano ito mapapaghandaan, Pwede namang sinasabi na may mga engineering intervention na pwedeng gawin o kaya yung early warning na sinasabi natin.